multiverse is a theory in which our universe is not the only one, but states that many universes exist parallel to each other. These distinct universes within the multiverse theory are called parallel universes. And that's exactly what we're going to explore.
We can find examples of the idea of infinite worlds and travel through dimensions in the ancient civilizations. Ancient Greek atomism proposed that infinite parallel worlds emerged from the collision of atoms. The ancient Egyptians believed that the pyramids were gateways to the stars. There are similarities between the layout of the three pyramids of the Giza and three stars in Orion's constellation that lead to that perspective. Orion's constellation is close to Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. According to Greek mythology, Sirius was the dog of the hunter Orion, and the ancient Romans placed the star in the constellation Canis Major. Sirius is sometimes referred to as the spiritual sun, because in astrology and other mystical practices, it's known for lighting up the spirit. The Lion's Gate portal occurs when the Earth and the Sirius star system are aligned. As the star Sirius rises in the sky, Orion's belt directly aligns with the Pyramid of Giza. The Great Sphinx with its lion-like qualities also aligns with the Leo zodiac during this time of year. This alignment is believed to aid in the receiving of divine messages from both Isis and Anubis. The Lion's Gate energy is all about fully awakening your divine light and embodying divinity within a physical form. We are pushed to let go of whatever isn't serving our highest and best evolution, whether that's toxic relationships, outdated ways of thinking, or the habit to downgrade our true purpose. Why do you make me feel so small? I always go round in circles for you. Why do you make me so sad? I should have been the main character in the first place. Goodbye, au revoir, adios. We might be somehow touching or connected to another universe. If these universes overlap, it's conceivable that there would be a way to travel from the space of one to another. Traveling at light speed to the other side of the galaxy would take more than 100,000 years. So what do we do now? One option is a cosmic shortcut called a wormhole. Wormholes connect 2 points in space-time, which means that they would in principle allow travel in time, as well as in space. This concept arises from Einstein's theory of general relativity. In many ways, wormholes resemble black holes. The main difference is that no object can come back out after crossing a black hole. Wormholes are bipolar black holes. An object falling into a black hole could travel through the wormhole and come out on the other side in another region of space-time. What if I tell you there's a different type of wormhole connection? This one will literally twist your mind. In theory, a non-orientable wormhole is a portal to a mirror world. If anything is traversing through the non-orientable wormhole, it turns into a corresponding mirror, the opposite of its origin. Physicists came up with a concept for how a mirror world like this could exist. They named it an Alice universe, in honor of the curious protagonist. Alice once famously stepped through a mirror in the novel Alice Through the Looking Glass. In his stories, the author blurs the boundaries between being awake and being asleep, so that it becomes difficult to tell where reality ends and dreaming begins. In this story, Alice enjoys a drowsy winter nap near the fire. Alice dozes off, and her step through the mirror happens in her dream. Since she is only half asleep, Alice's experiences combine elements from the waking world and her dreams. On the other side of the mirror, Alice discovers a room similar to her own, but with several strange differences. The alternate dimension is not just a mirror image, but a comprehensive inversion of reality. Further, she encounters the White Queen, who explains that time moves backward in Looking Glass world. But time does not move backward toward a point of origin. Instead, characters move forward, while the order of events moves backward. But what if tell you there's more? Out of the fiction, but science, that relates to this mirror world. Years ago, a particle detector, hanging from a balloon, detected something physics could not explain, over a place that we're familiar with: Antarctica. The instrument picked up signals of different particles that seemed to shoot straight up out of the Antarctic ice. The mysterious particle observed in Antarctica then would be a mirror inversion of the neutrinos, more commonly observed in our universe, which would explain its unusual behavior. Since the high-energy neutrinos were detected coming up from the Earth, instead of down from space, they may be traveling back in time. According to this theory, the still mysterious mirrored neutrinos observed in Antarctica weren't just new particles, but immigrants from an entirely new universe. And that's exactly where we're going now. Coordinates: -77.82 by -78.29. Latitude and longitude of Antarctica. I guess everything related to our adventures might have started to make sense for you now. Until we get to Antarctica, I'll let you rest and absorb everything we've seen today. It is a lot to digest. Sweet dreams. See you there.